When wheel B rotates 2 times, wheel A rotates 6 times. When wheel A rotates 42 times, how many times would wheel B rotate? Let's denote the number of rotations of wheel B as x and the number of rotations of wheel A as y. The given information can be expressed as a ratio. Rotations of B by rotations of A is equal to x by y, which is equal to 2 by 6, since wheel A rotates 6 times, when wheel B rotates 2 times. To find the ratio when wheel A rotates 42 times, we can set up a proportion. Rotations of B by rotations of A is equal to x by 42, which is equal to 2 by 6. Now, we can cross-multiply to solve for x. 6 times x equals 2 times 42, which implies 6x is equal to 84, which implies x is equal to 14. Therefore, when wheel A rotates 42 times, wheel B would rotate 14 times.
Thank you for watching.